here. I was doing some soaking. I was able to get the rear brake lines, the whole length of the brake line, soaking in anti-rust. So I have this irrigation tube, filled it up with the anti-rust, derusting, where's that stuff? Anyway, I was able to get the whole thing in there, and then let soak for 24 hours, pulled out, turned it all the way around. So I'll get those here in a second. Here's the brake line. So nice and clean. This thing was just coated in rust, and this spring wrap was completely rusted and seized. So I got the brake line all cleaned up. And then you can slide this back and forth now. So here, I'll pause it. I'll slide it up. All right, so I slid this over, and I'll do it here on camera. Show that it's all in good condition. There we go. So the slides back and forth. It's clean underneath there. The spring is clean, and same with that side. So and that's how I did it. So I just lengthwise stuck this whole brake line in the tube, and it fit pretty good. So it's a 3-inch tube, and works great. So it's nice and clean. I just took a wire brush to it to get rid of some of the soot that was on it, and that's it. All right.